Today, let's try some new affordable Focallure makeup. Ayan, as you guys can see, I have quite a few. But actually, some of these nagamit ko na or na-try off-cam, and today, i-share ko na yung thoughts ko about them and ipapakita ko sa inyo how they look like kapag nakalagay na sa face. Anyway, to start, I'm going to be using and applying this Focallure sunscreen. And this one actually, nagamit ko na siya multiple times. Love the packaging. And I'm actually really shook na meron na rin pala silang skincare. This is how the consistency looks like, and as you can see, very liquidy yung consistency niya. And ganito siya once you spread it onto your skin. Smells good, by the way. To my nose, amoy cucumber. Consistency is really amazing as well. It's fast absorbing. Ayan, look at that. Definitely easy to blend and also comfortable sa skin. Feels really nice and also walang white cast. And of course, to apply this, gagamit tayo ng two-finger method. Ayan, I'm just gonna spread it all over my face. Again, super easy to blend, very lightweight, and comfortable sa skin. Hindi siya malagkit. Forgot to mention that this one meron nga pala siyang niacinamide, which is of course nakakatulong to brighten the skin, and also hyaluronic acid to moisturize the skin para gawin siyang soft and supple. And then for SPF naman, meron siyang SPF 50 PA+++. This one is also alcohol-free, mineral oil-free, non-comedogenic, it contains mild ingredients, and suitable siya for all skin types. And then guys, this is how my face looks like after using the sunscreen, and actually parang nagsaset siya, especially kapag nag-sink in sa skin. For my base, I'm going to be using the Focallure Poreless Matte Cushion Foundation. This is actually not my first time na gagamitin to kasi talagang ginagamit ko to, guys. This is one of my go-to bases, especially kapag gumagawa ako ng TikTok. And also, nagawan ko na rin ng video to. Sa una kong Focallure video, this is actually the product that I used and tried. Kaya sobrang tried and tested ko na talaga to. And I'm super happy kasi I have 2 more shades, kaya maisaswatch natin, and also pwede nyo gawing reference just in case na, of course, gusto nyong subukan. This is the shade 101. This is the shade 102 which I use. And this is 103. Again, these are the swatches. From top to bottom, we have the shades 101, 102, and 103. I'm gonna use the shade 102 which is yung ginagamit ko na talaga. Ano yan? Ipapress lang natin siya sa skin. Love this puff, by the way, kasi super comfortable yung gamitin. Hindi siya masakit sa kamay, and also maganda siyang mag-blend. Of course, sa forehead. Look at the difference, diba? Definitely mas flawless tignan tong side na merong Focallure Cushion Foundation. But even though meron siyang base, diba, sobrang natural looking pa din tignan. So freaking good. And I still stand sa aking first review dito sa product na to. One of the best affordable cushion foundations there is. This is how my face looks like after using the Focallure Soft Matte Cushion Foundation. This is how my face looks like, super flawless, after using this Focallure Poreless Matte Cushion Foundation. Great if you have oily skin kasi it doesn't cake, it doesn't crease, lasts the entire day, and sobrang gaang and ganda ng finish. So I also have this one which is yung new powder ng Focallure which is called the Ultimate Blurring Setting Powder. Looks very promising, I must say. Yung mga claims super nice, but unfortunately, hindi ko magagamit to kasi both of the shades that I have doesn't match my skin tone. And it looks like this once you open it. Of course, sa isang side we have the powder, and on the other side we have the sponge applicator. And I love the sponge kasi high quality siya. It's super soft and parang ang sarap niyang gamitin sa face. These are the 2 shades that I got. P01 Natural Ivory and P02 Warm Ivory. Makes me sad to be honest kasi I wanna try this, and again, both of them doesn't match my skin tone. I believe yung shade ko dito is YL01 which is yung lightest nila. Quality and texture-wise, really impressive kasi pinong-pino siya. But for your reference, these are the powder swatches. First is PC01 and yung second is si PC02. And also sunscreen, meron din siya, guys, SPF 35. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng pang-retouch na powder na perfect, especially kung palagi kayo nasa labas, if you work outdoors, mga ganon, this one from Focallure might be the perfect powder for you. And the powder is also waterproof, which is really, really impressive and amazing. Super excited for the eyes because we're using this new Focallure 4-pan eyeshadow palette. I'm actually very into these types of palette lately, yung mga 4-pan, kasi super bilis gamitan, diba? Great for beginners, of course, and also for those na indecisive, especially kapag maraming shades na pagpipilian. Love the packaging, super simple and sleek. Doesn't look and feel cheap at all. This one I'm holding is BR03, and then this one naman is called BR02. These 2 shades are perfect kasi you can also use it on your brows. If you guys know me, I love these kinds of shades. These are my go-to. Kaya both of them makes me super duper happy. Super soft ng formula, almost like butter. Even the shimmer shade, it doesn't feel gritty at all. If you love doing smoky eyes, this is perfect. This is BR03. This one is BR02. I'm gonna use this one for transition. Very pigmented as you guys can see and easy to blend. It's not patchy. Using the same palette, I'm gonna use the darkest shade. Applying it sa outer half and also sa crease. Using the RO2 palette, I'm gonna use the deepest shade to add further depth, just to make it more smoky. Finally, for my lid, I'm going to be using this silver shade. We're actually doing sort of like a soft cut crease. I'm obsessed. This silver shade is amazing. I love how sparkly and pigmented it is. Kahit wala ka ng base, it works. These two are amazing. It's pigmented and buildable, easy to blend, hindi patchy. It is great for day to night kasi all of the colors that you need nandito na. It is beginner friendly and also again, kung indecisive kayo or nahihirapan kapag ka maraming color selection, this is perfect. Very straight to the point kasi transition, pang deepen ng crease and also lid color nandito na. And also these two shades, perfect for brows as well. For liner, I'm using this Focallure Ultra Skinny Liquid Liner. Love the packaging by the way and I'm super excited to try this one. The reason why is because this is actually dual-ended. Look at that. This is how it looks like close up. Look how fine the tip is. Oh my god. Even this other side, it is so sharp. Meron siyang ball inside which is great para yung liquid hindi nagda-dry. And also I forgot to mention but yung applicator niya is actually brushed tip. Thicker applicator is black tapos yung finer tip is actually brown. And guys, as you can see, it is actually smudge proof. Definitely long lasting, so perfect for every day. I'm gonna use the black shade. So easy to apply and I love the color. It's really black. And also since nga brush yung applicator niya or tip, it doesn't tag kaya super comfortable to use and definitely beginner friendly. And here we have it guys, with and also without. We'll definitely continue using this. Super nice. Moving on with lips, as you guys can see, we have so many options to choose from. We have total of 3 options and each options we have 4 shades. First up, we have the Focallure Mellow Tint Velvet Matte. On my lips is NU02 and I like it. It's bright but still super pretty and wearable. On my lips this time is OR02. And this one I absolutely love kasi super flattering and wearable no shade. Formula-wise, this one is really good kasi true to its claim, very velvety yung finish niya sa skin. It's very supple and pillowy. Pigmented as well kasi kahit one dip lang, buong lips nako-cover na siya. It's also lightweight and comfortable on the lips. You can also use this as a blush since nga very velvety yung finish niya. Look at that, it is so nice. Next up, we have the Focallure Juicy Dewy Essence Lip Tint. This is the shade NU04, such a pretty pink shade. Perfect for everyday, super feminine ang color niya and it's just nice. I love this. On my lips next is OR03 and this one is perfect if you love bright orangey colors. Love the pigmentation. If you want to achieve that very juicy Korean looking lips with of course a tint, then definitely this is the perfect option. This one is very lightweight and non-sticky. Moisturizing and hydrating. It is pigmented and as you guys can see, sobrang juicy, soft, and supple tingnan ng lips. And also as you guys can see, it also leaves a stain on the lips kaya definitely long-lasting siya even though glossy yung finish. And finally, we have here the Focallure Ultra High Pigment Liquid Lipstick. On my lips right now is the shade RD01. Such a stunning and powerful shade. Para siyang red and pink combined. This one is called BB04 and I'm obsessed. Love this shade. Super powerful. Perfect for any skin tone. It's amazing. I honestly don't have anything bad to say kasi pigmentation-wise, it is very pigmented. One swipe and you're good to go. It's very lightweight and comfortable on the lips. Even though matte yung finish niya, it doesn't feel drying. And also the color, super vibrant and perfect for any skin tone. Let's do a kiss test. So you guys can see it's clean. No transfer. Definitely transfer proof. I also have here a glass of water, so let's try it. Look at that. No transfer as well. If you love matte liquid lipsticks and you're looking for something new to try, then definitely make sure to check this one out. Anyway guys, this is the finished look, and of course, all of the products na ginamit natin are from Focallure. And overall, I'm super impressed and happy with how this makeup turned out. I love it. Again, if you have oily skin, this one I highly recommend the Focallure Poreless Matte Air Cushion Foundation. I haven't retouched yet, but still, my skin looks amazing. These two, amazing. You definitely need to get your hands on them. I mean, look at that. Look how amazing my eye makeup turned out. Para kung gumamit ng mamahaling eyeshadow, pero eto lang talaga sila. Eyeliner is amazing. If you're a beginner, definitely perfect siya. And also, dual-ended na, and you have a brown and black already. And again, it is smudge-proof. Look at that. Sunscreen, perfect for everyday. Meron siyang SPF 50 PA++++. It's lightweight, comfortable on the skin, no white cast, contains niacinamide and also hyaluronic acid. Love the lip products as well kasi you have so many options to choose from, so many colors. So basically for this, it depends na on your type of lip product. You love velvet matte, matte liquid lipstick, or juicy, dewy looking lips. But of all of them, for me, my personal favorite is definitely the velvet finish. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Product availability of course is Shopee and Lazada, so make sure to check them out. If you want to get your hands on any of these products, of course, as always, lahat ng link will be listed in the description below. Kaya yun guys, i-check nyo na lang sa baba.